Hello, I need to reserve a room.
Not a problem. May I have your name, please?
Of course, I'm John Sandals.
Hi, sir. My name is Michelle. Could you tell me when you need the room?
Right now, I plan to be there in April from the 14th to the 17th.
Perhaps you didn't know that we have new room rates. Do you find that acceptable, sir?
Maybe. How much is a room?
The price per night is $308.
That sounds fine to me.
Fantastic! Would you like a smoking or non-smoking room?
I hate cigarettes. Non-smoking.
That'll be non-smoking. Now, do you approve of a single queen-size bed?
That'll be no problem.
I'm happy to hear that, sir. Your reservation is all set, except for your phone number.
Sure. My number is 626-555-1739.
626-555-1739. Thank you for doing business with us, Mr. Sandals.